On this episode of Buttercream Frosting, I'll share with you my secret to the perfect silky smooth buttercream frosting I bet you didn't know about. Stay glued to this video to the end and find out. While at it, remember to hit the like button, share this video and leave a comment below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe for more videos. Now let's get right into the video. Here all you need: unsalted butter, milk, a vanilla flavor, you can use any flavor of your choice, icing sugar, salt. I forgot to put that out, but I'll drop a detailed measurement of the ingredients I use in the description as usual. So first, you want to boil your milk. So I use my microwave for this. You can use a double boiler. Just ensure that your milk is hot. So this is the first stage of the frosting. We are going to be making a paste of this icing sugar. So guys, let me tell you one of the reasons I love this frosting method. It prevents your kitchen from being filled with icing sugar dust when you make buttercream frosting. In my video on how to make sweet meringue buttercream, I shared a tip on how to catch those sugar dust in one place. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll drop a link below. Go and watch that video for my SMBC secrets. Now let's get back to the business of the day. Mix your powdered sugar and your milk very well until you form a smooth paste without any lumps. Then cover it with a cling film so it doesn't dry out on top, and set aside to cool down completely. Usually I do this process like an hour or so before my frosting. So you could do this like a prep before you are ready to start making your buttercream frosting, or if you're in a hurry, like you didn't remember to prep it down, you could just do it and put in the fridge and just allow it to cool down completely. So the next stage of this frosting is to soften your butter. So we are going to soften our butter. So I place the butter in the microwave for a few seconds just to soften it. When you touch it, your finger should go right through. Next, I set up my mixer, attaching the balloon wicks. Now place the softened butter into your mixer bowl and mix until the butter is light and white in color. Yes, this you can actually, I never knew that you need to really soften your butter. I never knew that you need to whip your butter so light until I found this recipe. Okay, so this take about 5 minutes. Just do this for about 5 minutes. Remember to scrape the side of the bowl so the butter is properly mixed. Now it's time to add in our prepped icing sugar paste. So add in your flavor and your salt at this stage. So I don't know, for some reason I did not film that part, but I added salt because I was using unsalted butter, and you need that salt to cut down the sweet taste of this buttercream frosting. Okay, then continue mixing with your whisk attachments for about 5 minutes until your mixture is light and fluffy. So when your mixture is like this, it's time for you to switch from the whisk attachment to the paddle attachment to give you that silky smooth texture you saw at the beginning of this video. Always remember to scrape the side of the bowl so you get everything properly mixed. Just check out the buttercream at this stage. We are not done yet, so you could actually use like this, or you continue mixing on low speed until you get this. Can you see this, guys? This frosting is very stable. It's very stable, and it's not overly sweet like the regular American buttercream. So I have a video on this channel on my first buttercream, my first American buttercream frosting. But that one is just straightforward. You can watch that video. I'll drop a link below also for that video. You can check out that video and see the difference between that one and this one. So this is an updated or upgraded buttercream frosting, and I trust me guys, when you try this buttercream frosting, you really love it. And the texture is very nice, very spreadable, and it firms up really well. This buttercream frosting is very good with colors, like you can see here on this pink. This is a pink version of it. Very good. So will you be trying this buttercream frosting? Leave a comment below in the comment section, let me know. And if you try it, tag me on Instagram at livelycakes23, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video.